I'm honestly just making this video so if they turn out good, I know exactly what I did last time. But anyways, there's a new John boat. So that's another video if you want to check that out. It's alright. Alright, so I bought these from Costco. They're Kirkland ribs, seasoned pork back ribs, baby back ribs. So got them for $21. They're pretty big. Since there's a meat crisis going on, there's no freaking meat in the stores. These are about the only ones I found. Now let's see how they turned out. So we got ribs on there. Just put them on. I'm gonna leave them on there for 2 hours at $2.75. We'll see how they turn out. Alright, the ribs are about to come off. We got some brown sugar, butter, and then we're gonna sprinkle it with a little bit of Doug Nelson steak and rub spice. Just a little bit. Maybe a little bit more. And then on this side, oh, I guess I'll do this too. So then I got some just 100% honey, clover honey. We're gonna put that on there like that. That should be good. Do the same with this one, but we got the Texas style barbecue Zach's sweet rub. And that should be good. I think I might put some apple juice on this one, and we'll see how that goes. And I'll leave this one normal. But then we're gonna go get our ribs, see what they look like. 2 hours exactly. That's what we were looking for. I did this in there. It didn't start smoking. I think I gotta light it on fire to get it started. So I think we'll do that at the very last process. But it looks pretty good. Let's see what they look like. Yeah, a little bend to them. Perfect. Alright, we'll get them off. I forgot to mention here, when I put them on there, I put the meat side up and the rib side down. And with this, I'll put the meat side down so it gets all that juices on there, seasoning on there. Alright, let's look at these things. I'm waiting a little bit more pull back on there. Just a little bit more. Same with these. They've been on here for 2 hours. I think I'll give them more like 15 minutes. Alright, so just for reference, this was about full. It was probably like right there. And it's been cooking for probably right around 4 hours now. And this is how much left. So, and it's about 60 degrees outside in northern Colorado. But yeah, I think I'm gonna just pull them off. They're not getting too much more done. It could go a little bit longer, but I'm getting freaking hungry. Alright.
Get to see you last week.